Hey everybody, it's Warrior. Today I'm gonna be doing showing you my new fidget cube by Zero Fidget Cube by Antsy Labs. So this fidget cube, I really wanted a fidget cube for quite a long time. It's really nice. See, I'll just give you an overview. And I'm going to do a video with my fidget spinners soon. Let's do 3. These are my fidget spinners, too. So, this one's pretty cool. It has a nice spin to it. Pretty smooth. I got it from Dollarama for only $2. Just pretty good. This fidget spinner is nice. It's almost silent. Has a nice spin to it. This one it was given to me for a gift, and it's not the best fidget spinner because when I got it, it was missing a cap, a bearing cap, but still, it's a pretty good fidget spinner. This one's kind of loud. It's loud, but it's actually pretty smooth. It has these metal balls that you can switch around it. Like, actually, it's actually exactly like the one on the fidget cube. See? See? No, that one doesn't twirl, but... But these are my fidget spinners. Now let's move on to fidget cubes. Okay. So we open this up. We have this thing called... We have this thing at the bottom that shows where everything is. See, like, roll, click at the bottom, glide, spin, and breathe. I don't really get what this breathe thing is, though. So it has this, like this thing where you can do your finger. These little things, like, make it click. It's like the same thing I was showing you on this fidget spinner. The buttons. Okay, so this one goes down. This one goes down too. And these 3 just click. This one, you just glide your finger along, and it actually feels pretty nice. See? Ooh. This one is my favorite. I kind of like to do this by myself because it annoys other people. But I like this. So satisfying. Oh, this is the big, like, kind of like a joystick. And there's this last thing. You, like, switch your finger. Right here is like a little... Like, you see that little indent right there? See, it has it like, it says fidget cube, but it's very small. There's one thing I don't like, because it has this, like, logo, it's like China, made in China or whatever. Anyway, thanks guys for watching this video. And if you liked it, don't forget to turn notifications on. And yeah, so everybody, thanks for watching, and bye-bye.